Lemongrass tofu is intensely flavorful, packed with fragrant and citrusy lemongrass and crispy golden tofu. This plant-based dish, called da wu sa in Vietnamese, is delicious served with rice noodles, or in fresh spring rolls. The first step to making this dish is marinating the tofu. In a bowl, toss minced lemongrass, soy sauce, chilies, turmeric, which gives the tofu its yellow color, palm sugar, rice wine vinegar, and lime zest. Pour this over the cubes of Nasoya Organic Superfirm tofu and allow the tofu to marinate for 30 minutes, tossing occasionally. After the tofu is marinated, we're ready to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large nonstick frying pan over medium heat. Arrange the marinated tofu in a single layer and cook. Turning occasionally with chopsticks or a fish spatula until browned and caramelized on all sides. Avoid overcrowding the pan when browning tofu to ensure even cooking. Top the lemongrass tofu with peanuts, cilantro, sliced chilies, and some freshly shaved lemongrass. Serve the tofu with a side of jasmine rice. You will love this dish's perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and savory flavors. Enjoy!